Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about packages. Basically, whenever we think about package, it reminds us a package of pen or a package of mobile phones or a package of books in general. But whenever we think according to Java, a package is a collection of a class, interface, and enum. It is a place to store all these three things. Let us discuss in detail here. Basically, if we see, a package is a place where we store this class, interface, and enum. And here, a class is a blueprint to store states as well as behaviors. For example, if we take a building, whenever we build it, first we will draw the blueprint, like this room should be at this particular place, and this room should be having this amount of length and this amount of width in this way. And the behavior will be like the kitchen room is used to cook, and the drawing room is used to spend time. In this way, the behavior of that particular room will differ. In the same way, whenever we create a class, if we take a pen as an object, before creating that particular object pen, we need to define its blueprint, how it need to look, and what are its specifications. So if we take a pen, that pen will consist of color, and the pen have height, and the pen have shape. These are some of the states. States are nothing but qualities of particular blueprint. Qualities. So here, this color is a data, height is a data, shape is a data of what this particular pen. After that, we have behaviors. Behaviors are nothing but actions performed by this particular blueprint object. Blueprint object. So this pen will perform the action of writing, writing, and with the help of this pen, we can hit on a person head. In this way, it will perform some actions. These are the behaviors of that particular pen. So this is user defined class pen. Pen is a user defined class. Here we will have one small example about class. See, in this package, YouTube package, I have created a class called as pen. Okay, this P should be of capital. It is a convention. So, as we discussed now, a pen is having a quality of color. This color we will specify in form of string equal to blue. String is nothing but it is a group of characters. After that, we specify length in form of int. Why? Because it is 10 centimeters. If the pen length is of 10.5, then we can use float. But here we use int. And after that we have shape. Shape we will specify in form of string. Our pen is of cylindrical shape. So these are some of the qualities of our pen. After that, the actions which are performed by this pen is writing. So to define those actions, we use methods. These are variables. Color is a variable, length is a variable, shape is a variable of type, of that particular type. Color is of string type, length is of int type. In this way we can define those things. After that, to perform some action we have a method, right? This is a particular action, writing. Pen is writing in blue color. After that we can say length. The length of uh, pen is, we can use this variable in this place. In this way we will create some actions. So now we will create an object for this particular blueprint which we have created for pen. Equal to new pen. So we have created pen 1, first pen. After that we have created one more pen, pen 2. In this way we can create n number of pens. Pen 3 and pen 4. In this way we can create n number of pens by creating this blueprint. The main advantage is object orientedness by creating blueprint. After that we have interface. Interface is nothing but it is used to overcome the drawback of class, and we will discuss about that in coming classes. After that, enum is nothing but it is a type which is used to create a constant data types. If we say weekdays like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these are constant types. If we see types of trees, they are constant like oak tree, and we have like neem tree. These all trees are constants. We can define those types of constants by using enum data type. So all these data types we can store inside package, as we done here. See, in this u2 package we have stored pen, and we can also store interface, we can also store enum. In this way this package is user defined one. Here there is also one more package which is built in, lang package. This lang package is already imported inside Java by default. So we can use here int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20, after that c equal to math dot add comma b. See, this math is a class. Math class consists of basic numeric operations, and it is coming from lang package. This class is coming from lang package, and the main advantage of this built-in package, it will make our work very much easy. See, if we need to add these two variables a and b, here we need to manually type this a and b to add into D. But here we pass the variables directly into this particular add exact method, which is present in math class. As we see here, write method inside pen class. In that same way, inside this math class we have add exact method to add these two 10 20 values. This is this math class is coming from built-in package, which is lang. See here, java.lang.math. But here, this pen class which I have created, it is user defined, which is coming from YouTube package, youtube.pen. If I want to use this class in another package or another project, I need to import it by using import. If I use want to use another package, I need to import java.c. These are all the packages: java.applet, java.awt, and java.beans, java.io. There are a lot of packages, java.utils. These each package consists of lot of classes where we can use to perform different operations. We need to explore those classes and packages by our own and by practicing. In that way we can import the classes. Each class have its own speciality, and each package will have its own speciality. If we take utils package is used to perform some manipulations over the data structure our data. In this way, each package will have its own speciality. We will explore those packages in our coming classes, but we need to get some basic idea before going to that. So I have conducted this class on this. And if we see primitive data types, here we have byte, short, int, long, float. All these data types are already predefined with the fixed size, predefined with fixed sizes. If we see this byte, it is of 1 byte. Basically 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, 8 bits. And here in every machine, like in every computer, The data will be stored in zeros and ones, so it is binary. We have two things, zeros and ones, so we use 2 power 8 bits, 8, we get 256. So here in this 256 we will be having positive as well as negative values. So we will minus 1 from this 256 bits, so that we get 1 bit for signage, whether it might be minus or plus, it will be allocated for that signage. So we can store 255 up to 255 number in 1 byte. That is a way. In this way we have short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. Char is of 2 bytes, and it will be having the ASCII values. ASCII values. These ASCII values, each number will be having a particular character. If you search in Google, you will get about that. So after that we have I need to tell one thing. This byte, if I declare this int EA is equal to 10, this 10 will be stored inside inside variable EA, which is of int data type. If I do like this, byte EA equal to 10, 10 will be stored in variable EA, but it will be of byte data type. If I create like this, pen ref equal to new pen, then this new will create an object of pen type, and it will give return the address for to the variable called ref. So this address will be stored inside ref. This variable is of what type? Pen type. Here in the same way in primitive we have stored 10 inside a. This 10 is of what type? Byte type. In that same way here we have created an object for pen. We have stored this object reference inside this ref variable. This ref variable is of what type? Pen. In the same way we will create primitive and non-primitive. Non-primitive we store inside a package, whereas in primitive they are already predefined. This is all about today's class. This is a structure. Inside package we can have class, interface and enum. Inside any package we can have this thing. After that we have this built-in packages like java.lang, java.util, java.net, java.sql, java.io, java.awt, java.applet. This java.applet is up to 8 version. 8 version. After that it is depreciated and it is not under use in these updated versions. And after that we use import keyword to import all these packages. And the main thing I need to specify is each package will be having a different use. So lang package is used to perform some mathematical operations, whereas this util package is used for data structuring. And after that this java.net package is used for some purpose, java.sql to perform some operations, inserting sql operations, input output, java.io to perform some input output operations, java.awt it is used to create some buttons and all these web things, buttons, search area, and this components which we use like radio button and the checkbox. All these things we can create by using java.awt. Java.applets, this is also used to create a dynamic pages it with the graphical user interface. The main specialty of java.applet is of applet is it can be used for GUIs as well as webs both. Inside the client side also we can use this, and we can use this over the web also. This is one of the use of using applets. After this, inside lang package we have different classes. We have seen an example of math. In that same way we have object class, string class, runnable interface, and thread class, system, and integer. We need to understand the behavior of all these classes, and we need to use it, and we need to perform some operations on it. We will do that in coming classes. After that, user defined one, which we have done here. This is a user defined package called u2, and inside that I have created a pen class. In this way we need to use the Java to perform some real-time operations. So this is about today's class, and in next classes we will discuss in detail about packages. This is all about today's class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, do comment in the comment section. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.